Most people believe that you can only start making money after school or college. They think you need a degree, a job, an office, or some adult skill before you start earning. But that mindset is the biggest lie students are told. The truth is, right now, in this generation, students have more opportunities to make money than any generation in history. And not just a few dollars. I'm talking about making $5,000 while still going to school, without leaving your classroom, without quitting studies, and without needing your parents' money. The world has changed. Technology has changed, AI has changed everything. And the students who understand this early are the ones who will be earning more than the adults around them. Most students think they need some big business idea, but you don't. What you actually need is one simple realization. You already have something that adults don't: time, flexibility, ability to learn fast, and zero fear. Every big entrepreneur today started at your age using small opportunities. If they could do it without AI, without internet, without social media, then what's stopping you today? Nothing. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to make your first $5,000 while still sitting in school, attending classes, and doing your homework step by step. The first way to start making money is by offering AI-powered services. Now, hear me out, this is not tech stuff. You don't need skills. You don't need coding. You don't need experience. All you need is your phone, AI tools, and the ability to solve small problems for people. Let me explain. Right now, businesses, teachers, creators, shop owners, local businesses, they all need help with content, writing, posters, reels, ideas, editing, messages, emails, and customer replies, but they don't have time. You do. With AI, you can complete a task in 3 minutes that takes an adult 30 minutes. That's your advantage. You can start offering AI-generated posters, assignment help, content writing, rewriting, social media captions, email writing, small video editing, script rewriting, presentation making, menu card designing, and even homework explanations. Yes, all using AI. And these tasks pay. You can charge $5, $10, $20, even $40 depending on the work. You only need 15 to 20 clients to make your first $500. Then you scale. Once word spreads that this kid gets things done fast, you will be surprised how many people come to you. The goal is not to work hard. The goal is to work smart. The second method to reach your $5,000 goal is by starting a school-friendly digital business. Not a big business, a small, simple digital shop. This includes selling digital notes, flashcards, study guides, templates, planners, calendars, productivity sheets, PDF guides, revision notes, worksheets, and even AI-made study material for juniors. Imagine this. You make one digital study guide, upload it online, and every time someone buys it, you earn without doing any extra work. That's passive income. Students around the world are already making money selling digital files on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and even Instagram. And guess what? Everything can be created using AI in minutes. For example, create a complete study guide for Class 10 Biology Chapter 4 in simple language. Boom, AI generates it. You format it, make it look good, and upload it. Even if it sells for $3 each, at just 1,500 sales over months, that's $4,500. And this keeps selling even while you sleep. No inventory, no shipping, no risk. The third method to make money while being in school is by starting a faceless YouTube or TikTok Shorts channel. You don't have to show your face. You don't need a fancy setup. You can talk about school tips, motivation, AI tools, fun facts, money hacks, gaming clips, football edits, or finance tips for teens. You can grow any niche if you stay consistent. I can write your scripts. I can edit your videos. I can make your voiceover. All you need to do is upload regularly. Many teenagers earn hundreds of dollars a month just from Shorts Fund, brand deals, and affiliate links. YouTube doesn't care about your age, it cares about your content. And Shorts can blow up anytime. One viral short can get you 100,000 views. And one viral long video can jump your channel to monetization instantly. And once you cross monetization, your income becomes unlimited at your age. This is one of the most powerful earning methods. Many teenagers earn hundreds of dollars a month just from Shorts Fund, brand deals, and affiliate links. YouTube doesn't care about your age, it cares about your content. And Shorts can blow up anytime. One viral short can get you 100,000 views. And one viral long video can jump your channel to monetization instantly. And once you cross monetization, your income becomes unlimited. At your age, this is one of the most powerful earning methods. The fourth method is something extremely powerful: freelancing with AI assistance. Freelancing means doing small tasks for people. But unlike adults, you don't have to learn hard skills. I will do the hard parts. You can offer services like summarizing documents, rewriting text, making notes, doing research, generating ideas, designing posters, making resumes, editing photos, writing product descriptions, making small websites, or even automating tasks. Everything can be done with AI tools. You can charge $10, $50 per task, and on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Teenagers already earn money, you just need your parents' account, but you don't even need these platforms. You can start locally: teachers, classmates, parents, friends, small shop owners. Everyone needs help with something. The final method to reach $5,000 as a student is by building a mini personal brand in school. You become known as the kid who can do tech stuff fast, or the student who makes slides, or the one who edits videos, or the kid who can make AI-generated posters. This alone can make you hundreds of dollars every month. You don't need fame. You don't need followers. All you need is trust. When 10 to 20 people know what you do, the money naturally starts coming. Now let's put it all together. If you take 3 to 4 clients per week for AI tasks, upload digital products that bring passive income, post 2 to 3 faceless videos per week, and complete small freelance tasks, hitting $5,000 is not just possible, it becomes a simple math formula. Most students waste 3 to 5 hours daily scrolling. If you use even 1 hour daily productively, you are already ahead of 99% of students. The world rewards skill, not age. And in the AI generation, the only students who will be broke are the ones who don't use the tools available to them. School is not stopping you. Your age is not stopping you. Your situation is not stopping you. The only thing stopping you is the belief that you need to wait until you grow up. You don't. Start now. Take one skill. Take one idea. Start small. Start messy, but start. Because if you don't use AI to make money now, someone else your age will. And they'll be the ones earning, while you'll be the one watching. The world is moving fast. Your opportunity is right in front of you. Don't waste it. Begin today. And your future self will thank you.